Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Sound Tutorial. In this video you have discussed about assignment 4 solution of GPS surveying. Here you can see that the first question is, during surveying, if you don't have the control point, you go for the correct answer is option B, autonomous static control point establishment. The second question is, when the length of baseline is small, the method of GPS surveying to be used. The correct answer is option B, rapid relative positioning. The third question, in observation design, each station should be observed at least. The correct answer is option B, 2 times. Fourth question is, which type of surveying design should be used to planning to get accurate survey result? The correct answer is option C, closed. The fifth question is, sky plot in planning software provide. The correct answer is option B, graphical diagram of receiver. The sixth question is, dash of the antenna is an important measurement to be noted down for each observation station. The correct answer is option C, height. The seventh question is, initialization of rover is required when the method of surveying is. The correct answer is option D, kinematic survey. Question number 8. To minimize the error in GPS observer, which pre-processing technique is generally preferred? The correct answer is option A, single differencing. Ninth question is, stop and go method is used for. The correct answer is option B, collect location of conjugative point. Question number 10. Length and width of a road can be found by method of dash survey. The correct answer is option D, none of the above. I have some doubt in this question number 10, so please take care. Question number 11. Identify the important and critical step of preparation for proper execution of field GPS survey. The correct answer is option number A, selection of observation window, and option number C, selection of observation session, and option number D, survey design plot. Question number 12. What does planning software provide from almanac data of a place? The correct answer is option A, number of satellite at any observation station. Option number B, period of availability of satellite. Question number 13. For the selection of receiver, the software should have. The correct answer is option A, satellite visibility. Option B, downloading capabilities. Option C, post-processing flexibilities. Question number 14. Identify the step involved in carrying out field recognition of GPS surveying. The correct option answer is option C, identify the actual location of probable station which has been marked on the map. Option number D, check the stability of the station for a long-term GPS surveying. Question number 15. Processing of GPS data consists of. The correct answer is option number 2, 3 and 4, and option number D, 2 and 3. Question number 16. Identify the testing step involved in validation of GPS surveying planning. The correct answer is option number A, positioning technique, and option number C, equipment suitability, and option number D, processing strategy. Question number 17. During GPS surveying, identify condition which rover receiver should satisfy. The correct answer is option number B, approach of observation of rover receiver should be equal to the approach of reference receiver, and option number D, approach receiver of observation of rover receiver should be less than the approach of reference receiver. Question number 18. Data handling in field operation consists of. The correct answer is option number A, in situ data processing. Option number B, quality analysis of data collection. And option number D, data transfer. Question number 19. Selection the correct statement. The correct answer is option B, baseline processing is the part of processing of GPS positioning. And option number D, double difference is a part of GPS data pre-processing. Question number 20. Identify the element those should be included in GPS field survey report. The correct answer is option A, description of movement. Option number B, base station with station and route marked. Option number C, objective of survey. Thank you.